Hello everyone, myself Kalichalvi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. I'm handling the subject of Design of Digital Circuits for second year students. So our fifth unit is Digital Logic Families and PLD. So our today's topic is memories. In that memory is ROM. Okay, so memory is an essential component of every digital system, from your smartphone to complex embedded systems. So in this video, we will explore what memory is in a digital electronics and the different types of memories used in the computing system. Okay, so before going to the topic, just recap of the previous session. So can you guess what is the flip-flop is? Yeah, yes, this is D flip-flop. So that is D is nothing but it is a delay flip-flop which has only one input, that is D, and two outputs, that is Q and complement of Q bar. Okay, so based on this clock signal, uh, it will enable the flip-flop. So flip-flop is nothing but a 1-bit storage device which is used in the register. So which is also used in the counters and also used in the sequential circuit memories. So this flip-flop is main vital role in our memory system. Okay, so to register or to store the 1-bit data, that is the bit is nothing but zeros and ones in your digital systems. So that bit stored by using this flip-flop only. Okay, so next one is the empathy part of memory. So most of the systems were corrupted, right? So if any of the corruptions like microprocessor or the part of controller, uh, or in the part of CPU, so all the corruptions are due to only the memory failure. So this memory is a important role in our digital system. So in your digital electronics, memory refers to um, hardware device used to store the digital data either temporarily or permanently. So it enables the digital systems to store the informations and or encoding, the process of encoding and then storing and retrieving the data, and then forming the basics of our knowledge, identify, and then ability to function. So it enables the digital system to store the instructions also and manage the inputs and outputs efficiently. So this memory is has two types, that is RAM and then ROM. So RAM is a volatile memory and then ROM is a non-volatile memory. Okay, so this digital memory is broadly classified into primary and secondary memory also. So let's focus on primary memory, which includes the common memory types which do directly to the processor, that is RAM and then ROM. So the RAM is further classified into two types, that is a static RAM, dynamic RAM, and non-volatile RAM. And then ROM is further classified into programmable ROM, that is PROM, and erasable programmable ROM, that is EPROM, and then electrically erasable programmable ROM, EEPROM. So it's called as flash memory. So it has the file size conversion here. So we know that one bit is equal is one bit is, that is 0 and then 1. So 0 is a individual bit and 1 is a individual bit, right? So and then 8 bits is equal to the 1 byte. So here 1024 bytes are is equal to 1 kilobyte, that is 1 KB. So that 1024 kilobyte is equal to the 1 megabyte, that is 1 MB, and then that 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 GB. So we are already used in your mobile phone, that's 1 GB, already used in your memory pen drive, right? So it's a 16 GB, 8 GB pen drive, right? So likewise 1024 megabyte is equal to the 1 gigabyte. Okay, so that 1024 gigabytes is equivalent to the 1 terabyte. So these are all the file size of file size of the memory. So every system having the memory, right? A smartphone, laptop, a computer. So these are all having the memories like 500 GB, and then the 800,000 GB likewise. This is about your memory. So in random access memory is a volatile memory. It loses its data when power is turned off. It's used for temporary data storage during the program execution. So and then we already told the types, right? And then ROM is nothing but non-volatile memory. It retains data even when power is off. So it's typically used for store firmware, system boot programs. Likewise, we store the offline musics, like offline downloaded movies, right? So these all comes under your random access memory. Okay. So this is just a simple activity for you all, and then just check your memory. Okay, so here I'm giving the car logos for an activity. So can you find the logos of cars? Yeah, right. This is a Jaguar, and then there's Toyota and Mercedes, and then BMW, and then this is the Audi. So it's a Renault, so likewise. So everyone already know about the car logos. It's just it is in your memory. You can recall this, recall and watch the logos, and you can say, right. So likewise, the memory in your computer works. Okay, so this is a simple mind map of that memory. So, we have the memory unit having the hierarchies like RAM, ROM memories, and then that is RAM, ROM is nothing but a primary memories, and then secondary memories like cache, and then registers are there. So this is about the mind map. This will be you're going to study about this topics of memory. Okay. So in the next class, we had seen about the individual RAM and then ROM functioning. Okay, and their types. Okay, thank you.